Hello and welcome to the Men's Walk Pasty Eating Contest. Last year, Men's Walk raised a staggering £92,000 for end-of-life care in our community. This year, with hospice care facing a £1 million funding gap, we need to go one step further. We need your support now more than ever. Men's Walk simply wouldn't be feasible without the support of our sponsors. So we've invited them and some other local key figures to the Double Locks to have a bit of fun in the form of a pasty eating contest. What better way to let you know that the Men's Walk is back and sign-ups are open now. With that said, meet our participants. The competition rules are simple. Everyone has 2 minutes to consume as many pasties as they can. If at the end of the 2 minutes you're still eating, you can chew and swallow what's in your mouth, but everything on the plate must remain. In the event of a tie break, we will weigh the pasty residue on your plate and name our winner. Participants, are you ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go! And they are off. Brian didn't have breakfast this morning, putting them away like a true pasty champion. Remember, you have drinks, guys. One minute to go. Well, this is competitive. We are all on one pasty so far. "30 seconds to go. Brian moves on to his second pasty, leading by example. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop! You can chew and swallow what's in your mouth. Everything on the plate must remain. Well done everyone here, that's some top-notch pasty eating. Now let's name our winner. It's official, we have our winner. The Men's Walk pasty eating champion is Chris Bentley. So Chris, How does it feel to be the Men's Walk Pasty Eating Champion?
I'll be honest with you, having won promotion into the Premiership with the Exeter Chiefs many years ago, it pales into insignificance to this very moment. I am over the moon. I will cherish this. The victory means everything to me, and I'm going to continue to eat all of these pasties for the remainder of the day.
Thank you for taking part, and thank you everyone for coming along. Men's Walk sponsors, supporters and volunteers are all coming together in support of hospice care to help local people and their families affected by terminal illness. Will you? If you enjoy a quality pasty and would like to support your local hospice, then please sign up to the Men's Walk today and help keep our services running for local people in need. Thank you for watching.